Welcome to the Minimalist's Guide to Digital Life. In a world where we're drowning in notifications, apps, and digital clutter, what if I told you there's a way to streamline everything for a calmer, more productive existence? Think about it. How many apps are on your phone right now? How many browser tabs do you have open? When was the last time you felt truly peaceful while using technology? Digital minimalism isn't about going back to the Stone Age. It's about being intentional with technology, so it serves you instead of you serving it. Today, we're going to transform your digital life in 4 powerful ways that will give you back hours of time and dramatically reduce your stress levels. First, let's tackle the app audit, the foundation of digital minimalism. Your phone probably has dozens of apps you never use, but they're still stealing your attention every day. Here's what you're going to do. Go through every single app on your phone and ask yourself one question. Has this app made my life genuinely better in the past month? If the answer is no, delete it immediately. Don't think about what if I need it someday. You can always reinstall apps, but you can't get back the mental energy they're draining. Most people discover they only truly need about 15 to 20 apps. Everything else is digital junk that's fragmenting your focus and cluttering your mental space. Next, let's revolutionize your file organization. If you're like most people, your computer files are a chaotic mess of random folders, duplicate documents, and forgotten downloads. Create just 3 main folders: active projects, reference materials, and archive. That's it. Every file on your computer should fit into one of these 3 categories. Active projects contains anything you're working on right now. Reference materials holds information you access regularly. Archive stores completed work and old files you might need someday. Spend 1 hour this weekend sorting your existing files into these folders. Yes, it's tedious, but this one-time investment will save you hours of searching and frustration later. Now let's discuss the most overlooked aspect of digital minimalism, your online presence. How many social media accounts do you have? How many email subscriptions fill your inbox daily? Here's a reality check. Every platform you're on, every newsletter you're subscribed to, every notification you receive is making a tiny withdrawal from your attention bank account. Do a subscription audit right now. Unsubscribe from every email list that doesn't provide immediate, actionable value. Delete social media accounts you don't actively use. Choose 1 or 2 platforms maximum for social media. Quality engagement beats scattered presence every single time, and your mental health will thank you. The 4th pillar is notification management, the secret weapon of digital minimalists. Most people are slaves to their notifications, but you're about to become the master. Turn off all non-essential notifications immediately. That means social media, news apps, most games, and promotional emails. Your phone should interrupt you only for truly important communications. Instead of being reactive to notifications, become proactive. Schedule specific times to check social media, emails, and news. Maybe 3 times per day, maximum. This simple change transforms you from someone who's constantly interrupted to someone who chooses when to engage with digital information. The difference is profound. Now let's talk about creating digital breathing room. Just like your physical space needs areas of calm, your digital environment needs zones of simplicity and peace. Choose simple, clean wallpapers for your devices. Organize your desktop so you can see the background. Keep your browser bookmarks bar minimal and purposeful. These visual changes might seem cosmetic, but they have a real psychological impact. Clean digital spaces promote calm, focused thinking and reduce decision fatigue. Here's where most people mess up digital minimalism. They go too extreme too fast, then give up when it feels restrictive. Don't make this mistake. Start with one area, maybe just your phone apps. Master that for a week, then move to file organization. Gradual change creates lasting habits. Remember, digital minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about optimization. Keep the tools that genuinely improve your life. Eliminate everything else that's just digital noise. You might worry about missing out on something important. Here's the truth. Anything truly important will find its way to you through the channels you've intentionally maintained. As you implement these changes, you'll notice something amazing happening. Your ability to focus deeply will improve. Your stress levels will drop. You'll feel more in control. The goal isn't to use technology less, it's to use it more intentionally. Every digital tool in your life should have a clear purpose and provide genuine value. Think of digital minimalism as creating space. Space in your mind, space in your schedule, space for the things that truly matter to you. Here's your action plan. This week, audit your apps and delete the unnecessary ones. Next week, organize your files into those 3 folders I mentioned. Week 3, clean up your online subscriptions and social media accounts. Week 4, optimize your notification settings and create your digital breathing room. By the end of the month, you'll have a streamlined digital life that supports your goals instead of sabotaging them. You'll wonder how you ever functioned in all that digital chaos. Remember, every notification you don't receive, every app you don't have to sort through, every file you can find instantly, these are all gifts of time and mental energy. Digital minimalism isn't about having less technology. It's about having more life, more focus, more peace, more time for what truly matters. Your future self will thank you for taking control of your digital environment today. Start with just 1 app deletion, 1 file organized, 1 notification turned off. The path to a calmer, more productive digital life starts with a single, intentional choice. Make that choice today and let digital minimalism transform how you interact with technology forever.